Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we'll be doing Gaddis C++, Chapter 4, Programming Challenge 20, the speed of sound. Here we just need 3 if-elses in the switch cases. And of course input validation. And to check the speed of sound in 3 different mediums. So now, constants, if I in here, then variables. Okay, this is a little bit far. Let's go back here. All right. Then our prompt. Select one. This is our menu, or to choose which thing you want. Right here, it's menu to select for which is which. Then our suggestion. The input validation. For this one specifically, if it's less than 1 or more than 3, it's invalid. Why do we use return 1 here instead of like what in programming challenge 18? Well, because this is one big chunk of if-elses. Like if this one doesn't pass, it just straight up jump to here. If it passes, it goes here. Same for this one. If it passes this one, then it goes here. If it doesn't pass this one, it jumps to here. And since we are not using a big chunk of if else thingy, we will need a return 1. Back to the program. Yet another prompt or distance, and then another checker, another input validation. Do not accept anything less than 0. Do not accept anything that's negative. Then finally our switch case. Time. Here is this divided by air. Distance is here. Time is here, and our constants are here. And finally, our ending statement. Set precedent for. Round the answer to 4 decimal places. In time. Second time it takes for x to travel to y is this time. Or maybe it's better for me to like time it takes for uh, okay, never mind. Select error for 0. Try 0. Invalid selection. Okay, it passes. 1. Distance cannot be negative. Okay, a wild question though. If I choose 2, 0. Why is this possible? Less than 0. Well, it technically says less than 0, so might as well just follow it. 1, 0, 0. 1 second. 2, 9800. 2 seconds. Then I will try for a 3-second one. A 10-second one. Easier to count. 10 seconds. Okay, all of them were tested. They seem correct. So thank you for watching.